Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Nokia G60. First of all, open Play Store on both. Then you need to get this free app called Send Anywhere from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. Now, in order to use this app, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow on both smartphones. Now choose send at the bottom left corner of your Android and receive over here next to history and send at the bottom of your Nokia. Now tap on all of those type of dots from all of those categories to choose all of your files that you wish to send, and when you're ready, choose send over here. It will take some time though, so I will go with only one photo. Choose send and click on got it. Now on Nokia, tap on the best option for you. Choose close this window, and from here finally we have two ways to connect. We can input this key over here and then tap on receive button, or we can scan this QR code. If you want to scan it, just tap on this scanning icon on Nokia. Choose while using the upper only this time to allow camera access, and point your camera at the QR code. Now in the matter of seconds, as you can see, my file was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!